Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents build your own custom Frank Beltrame classic Italian automatic Switchblade Stiletto. They come as a classic Italian stiletto hair comb, and the blade is unassembled. All you have to do is simply push out the pivot pin, remove the plastic comb, and put in the stiletto blade. Then you insert the pivot pin and peen over the edge on it with a hammer. This is a genuine Italian blade with an authentic handle. It's black acrylic handles with nickel silver plated bolsters. The handle is 5 inches long. This is a genuine Italian stiletto blade marked Frank Beltrame that is 4 inches long. When it's placed in the knife handle, overall the knife is 9 inches when completely assembled. Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com.